What is up, guys? Rupture Tech here with another short video. Today we're going to be seeing if the Galaxy S21 Ultra's focus enhancer really helps with the macro capabilities of the device. Let's check it out and see how it does compared to the main camera. What is up, guys? I just wanted to create this short video to showcase what Samsung has done to help with macro photography. Because the S21 Ultra camera is 108 megapixels, it struggles to lock onto subjects and focus up close, and that's why Samsung has introduced a new feature called Focus Enhancer Mode. Focus Enhancer Mode uses the ultra-wide camera, which is based off the Galaxy Note 10's main sensor, to focus on objects up close. It's only 12 megapixels, which means Samsung was able to add autofocus to the sensor and allow the phone to focus without the crazy fringing problem the main 108 megapixel sensor has. I hope these photos can show you the difference Focus Enhancer makes. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my content.